Mystery box time again. This machine was donated by somebody who picked it up because they thought it was neat, and then told me that they didn't have time to deal with it and realized they needed to stop collecting sewing machines before it got out of hand. Which is a very valuable thought to have about collecting sewing machines. Oh, look at how pretty this is. What does that say? Coronado? It's marked Deluxe 45-117A. This is a Class 15 straight stitch only machine. And it appears to be missing the needle plate, but we'll have to give it a little poke. Yep, missing the needle plate. And obviously they had started doing the case up on it and then abandoned the project, so at least I don't have to rip the old covering off this case.